What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, there are no RC cars in this video, but this video is going to be action-packed because we have some new toys to play with. Toy number one, if you can see back there, and if you saw on Instagram, we got some PitBikes. This is the SSR 125cc pit bike. I'm not sure what year this one is. I bought it used off of Facebook Marketplace. We also have some drones back there. We're headed to one of my buddy's houses. He's got a little pit bike track going on. There's going to be a bunch of people there riding their bikes. So we're going to get some footage, and hopefully it'll be a good time. And announcement number 3 that's going to make this video hopefully a good time. DBK is back. Everyone give a round of applause for DBK. He's back on the channel. Formerly known as Dirtbag Kyle, he is back in full force as Dirt Bike Kyle. So we're headed over to his house right now, and yeah, we're gonna have a good day. Oh, you hear him, Kyle? They're waiting for DBK. I thought Kyle was gonna be grounded. Just the right amount of fun, you know? Whoa! Check out this thing. This took me 2 days and 5 hours to print on my 3D printer. Pretty cool little file I found on Thingiverse. So that's just about going to wrap it up for today's video. If you guys like this style of video, please leave a comment down below. Definitely give this video a thumbs up and tell me what you think. I have more motorized vehicles to record. I will give you that heads up right now. If you think you know what they are, leave a comment down below. If there's any RC cars that you want reviewed, FPV footage you want to see, please let me know. I'm always looking for suggestions, and as always, thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.